I paid less than £12 for 30 metres of fabric, mystery fabric, delivered all the way here to Orkney. Have I just found the bargain of the year, or have I bought 30 metres of rubbish? Let's find out.
Welcome to Sorcha and Lilac, the Island Knitter Podcast TV.
Hello there. I've just had a delivery. Pound a metre sent me one of their packs, a 30 metre pack at 25p a metre. It's one of their weekly deals, bargains. I don't know what I'm getting, but I quite like that. That's exciting. And from what I can see from this is going to be rather good. So shall we have a look? Let's do a little unboxing. Well, just to show you, it came in a package, about double wrapped, I would say. It was delivered via Emery and to my address. This is bought with my own money. So they haven't given this to me as a promotion or anything like that. So this is just me finding out what they have, and I am quite excited about this. I have no idea what's in this bag. First off, this feels like lining, and there's a good amount of fabric in this. I would say that would be, yeah, it's on a fold. It's about 3 metres long, so that's a 3 metre length of this coppery lining. I'm not folding it back the way they've sent it. So let's just work on that premise. So they've got a nice silky version. This is silky, feels like lining again. So that's number 2. This is a blue polyester, almost not a crepe, but that's good dress fabric, I think. It's not a lining. Ooh, this is nice and bright. This is very much, I don't know, not suiting, but again could make a nice dress out of that. Now this is black, and it feels like it could be another lining. This is more, again, I don't know, it's not suiting. Ooh, it's interesting though. It's an interesting one. Interesting feel to it. This one again seems like another lining. Got a lot of lining to do, haven't I? And again, same with that. Now here we've got a couple of good colours here. Now that's a beautiful red. That's more like a PVC fabric. Wow, interesting. And then this final one, this orangey one, feels lining-like, but because it's quite thin, it could well work as an overlayer, couldn't it? So how many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's like, they could be 3 metre lengths in total. Very good. So what are we going to make with all of that? In the comments, why not give me some ideas? Work out. These all have about 3 metre lengths. Width-wise, let's do a width-wise test. Oh, well, over about 36 inches wide, that one. Yeah, 3 meters, 36 inches wide for that one. So yeah, let me just see what the red one is. I like this. This is plasticky. It's weird. This actually is the same width again. What would you do with it? Let me know in the comments. I'd be dead interested. I know it's not knitting, but when you knit something, it's nice to make something to go with it, isn't it? Another good red again. I love these reds. They keep sending me the right reds. And I like this lilac. Bit suiting, like this would make a good skirt, I think, with one of the lining fabrics. Right, I'm leaving it up to you.